Welcome back to the channel. Now let's take a look at Euro JPY for this week. So to those of you that are yet to subscribe to this channel, you know you've not subscribed yet, please do me a favor by clicking on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comment if there's anything you would want to say. So let's start with the trend on Euro JPY. So first, we can see that this trend is kind of like a ranging market move. You see that market is literally coming to hit our resistance level, then to drop to the support level, right? Though these are kind of like a false breakout, you can whatever you might want to call it, but these are the major support level here that's highlighted down here. This major support, and this is the major resistance level here. So once we see price come to our resistance, we tend to get a drop to our support, then a movement upward to our resistance, and again a drop to our support level. So right now we can see that price is now at our resistance level. So all what we would want to do is look for a setup to continue that movement downward to our resistance to our support level. So if you take a look at last week, we can see that EURJPY literally gave us a good amount of a bullish move. One of the reasons why we had such movement was that JPY was literally dropping. If you take a look at your JPY last week, you see that there was a good amount of drop on JPY. This is one of the reasons why every other pair against our JPY literally gave us a bullish move. So Euro JPY will actually give us a good amount of a bullish move. But right now, this week, we will be expecting a good amount of a drop on JPY. That is to tell you that, sorry, this week we will be expecting a good amount of a bullish move on JPY. Since we had a bearish move last week on JPY, JPY literally fell last week. This week that we are predicting for, we will be expecting a bullish move on JPY. That is to tell you that any other pairs we will be trading to JPY needs to give us a bearish move. So Euro JPY will be one of those pairs we are trading. So we'll be expecting a drop. So this week, right, we would see it actually close bearish. Now let's see what this forward time frame is saying. So with this drop play out, I expect a pullback to play out, probably a pullback to a level of 145. Once I can get a pullback to a level of 145, then I don't mind going for a sell on this Euro JPY. So all what we should be looking is all what we should be looking for is an opportunity or a setup to sell on Euro JPY. So once we can get a correction, then the next movement would be a sell on Euro JPY for this week. Now, to those of you that in case you are blowing up your account, you need high probability trade or trade that you have 70 to 90% chance of winning, I'm going to put a link to that channel. So once you sign up, you get access to those exclusive trade that I'll be putting out there. You can give it a try for just a month. If after the month of April you are not acceptable, or you are not okay with the subscription or the service or everything, you can go ahead and cancel your subscription, by the way. So I'll be putting out high probability trade, good quality trade. If you, in case you are in need of such, then the link to the channel will be in the comment section. So once you sign up, you'll get access to those trade.